Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you're working with. Check model and Android version so you know which menus to expect. Once done, make sure the phone has power and developer options are enabled if a deeper setting is required. Next, go straight to accessibility and touch settings to locate double tap to wake, or gesture controls. I'll show why each step matters so you don't waste time hunting through unrelated menus. Now you change and test. Toggle the double tap options off and back on to reset their state, then test immediately. If it still misfires, adjust touch sensitivity or reduce animation durations so taps register faster and more reliably. You should also test in safe mode and with an alternate launcher to check if an app is interfering. This distinguishes software conflicts from system settings. Make sure to run a quick finish with advanced fixes. Clear cache and data for the system UI or gesture modules, then reboot and retest. If problems persist, update or reinstall any gesture apps and install pending OS updates, because patches often resolve touch issues. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If you still see erratic behavior, the key troubleshooting tip is to test with a hardware diagnostic or at a service center. Intermittent touch faults often indicate a failing digitizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.